Now, cousin, this dress right here is going to have you outside being real fast, honey. You just going to be twitching when you walk, honey. Twitching when you walk. I promise you, you're going to love it. Hey to all my new cousins here on the channel, honey. My name is Shauna T, and over here on this channel, child, we talk all things plus size fashion, style, and everything in between. So, cousins, do me a couple, 2, 3 things, honey. I need for you to like, share, and comment in the comment section below, baby, because you know I'm gonna talk back. So, y'all, we have us a Target haul today. And baby, let me tell you something. This one dress I'm gonna show y'all, baby, just gonna be outside twitching. You're gonna just be twitching when you walk. But I promise you, you are going to love it. So, cousins, I picked up 3 dresses from Target that I'm going to show you on today. And we're gonna start with this one right here that I already have on. So, y'all, this dress, y'all already know I got my notes, honey. So this dress is a size 24, and it's actually from the Future Collective at Target. And y'all, I love it. I don't know, I've been having a thing for denim lately. I don't know about y'all, but I have been having a thing for denim. So let's get off into the details, honey. Now this dress is actually sized from a 0 all the way up to a size 30. So, you know, we got the size exclusivity. Now, what I love about it the most, y'all, is it has pockets. These pockets are functional on the side, as well as the pockets on the chest. And the thing about denim is, cousin, you can wear it and mix it and match it with so many different things. Now, this denim piece, honey, is for all of my cousins that love to be a little modest because it comes below your knee. Because y'all know I like to be a little fast, honey. But this dress here is especially for you all. It comes below your knee, and you can wear it a number of places. Now, what I did was I just went in and I actually paired this dress with my, I want to call these like burnt orange color shoes, just to be able to go with the browns that's in the stitching of the dress. Now, my shoes, y'all, I did pick my shoes up from Amazon. I'm pretty sure y'all probably have seen these shoes before, but just in case if you haven't, I will have those linked below as well. And then, of course, also my purse. I just carry my purse, which is from Aldo. Now, Aldo does not have this specific purse available, but they do have like some similar ones if you wanted to go and actually pick you one up. Now, my jewelry, I just paired gold jewelry, my chunky gold bracelets with it, and then I also have on some gold hoop earrings. But baby, when I tell y'all, I love this dress. I love this dress. Now, I do have on a size 24 for reference, and for all my cousins who do not know, honey, my height is 5'5". So for all of my cousins who are a little taller, that should kind of give you a range as far as where it will fall on you. Now, I will say this, the heels that I am wearing, my heels are 3-inch heels. So even with my height with no shoes on being 5'5", then I put the heel on, it may fall similar on you, of course, depending on your body shape and all the things where you carry your weight in. But baby, the thing is, you need to go grab this dress. Let me tell you the price of this dress as I am recording. So this dress is $45, y'all, which is still a really good steal for you to go and get this dress. And it is like, it's not a heavy denim, so it's like, I'm gonna say a medium denim. So you definitely can even wear this denim over into the winter months as well, and especially on fall cool nights, you can put this on. Definitely go in and pair this with your boots. Yes, honey, you put you on some boots. Whether you decide to do ankle boots with these, or you decide to go ahead and do one of the knee or thigh boots with this dress. I really think like the thigh boot look would be, well, not thigh boot, but the knee boot look would actually be really sexy with this dress. If you have maybe like a snake print boot that you can go in and pair with it. Ooh, I'm just saying that'll be real sexy, of course, as the weather gets a little bit colder, y'all. Quick intermission, cousin. So are you a current or inspiring entrepreneur or creator, and you're like, dang, I am tired of trying to figure this social media thing out, or it may not just be working out for you, or either you want to increase your income in your business. Well, guess what, cousin? I have started a whole new YouTube channel just for you, where I'm going to be going into details on social media, branding, increasing your income, and making money online with your own physical and also digital products. Okay, so yes, I need for you to either scan the QR code here on the screen and go subscribe to that channel, or you can click the link down in the description box below. I promise you, I'm going to share not only tips, but also show you real life examples of what you need to be able to expand and grow your brand. Now, honey, listen, let's go ahead and get back to the good stuff. Cousins, listen, this next little piece I'm finna tell y'all about, this was my favorite one. Baby, when I say it was good to me, it was good to me, okay? Now listen, I will tell y'all this, that I had to go in and size up, and I sized up on purpose because when I was viewing the dress online, I was like, this dress is a little short. It's a little short, but I'm gonna rock this dress, right? So I did go in and size up to a 26, one, to be able to give me a little bit more length. And also because this dress is a faux leather dress, it did not actually state in the description if it had stretch in it. And I wanted to make sure, honey, because y'all know I got a lot of legs, hips, and a lot of surprise at the back. So I had to make sure that I was going to be comfortable within this dress. So I wanted to let y'all know I did size up off in it. Now, honey, baby, let me tell you something. When I put this, y'all, when I took this dress out the package, I was like, oh baby, it's on. I was like, it is on and popping with this dress. I had so many different ideas about how I wanted to style this dress. Y'all, when I say it's sexy, it's so sexy. So this is for all my cousins. If you're not ready to show the fat part, top part of your thigh, this dress ain't for you, okay? This dress is not for you if you do not want to be fast, baby. But y'all, the dress did not have a smell when I pulled it out of the bag. It does have functional pockets on this dress. Now, I did go in and actually style this dress with my sparkly boots, y'all. Now, these boots that I have on, they are actually no longer available. They came from, I want to say, Torrid, like a couple of years ago with this particular dress. Now, I purposely did not style this dress with any tights so that you all could actually see the length that it actually falls on me, right? Because you know my height is 5'5", you know I got a lot of surprise at the back. So I know that you can go in and put tights on with it to, you know, go in and give it a different look, but I needed for you all to get the fullness of this dress. But baby, let me tell you something. When I get ready to step out in this dress, it's gonna be on and popping. I'm telling y'all now. I'm telling you now. Now, y'all, I also have some thigh-high boots that I'm going to go in and actually pair with this dress as well. And I'm going to link those down in the description box for you all because they are actually still available. Now, cousins, the thigh-high boots that I'm gonna rock with this, it does have a heel on it. I know some of my cousins are like, girl, I cannot be doing this heel like this. It does have a heel on it. But listen, child, I've been wearing heels since I was 10, okay? But y'all, this dress is my favorite. And it's black. Okay? It's black, period. It's black. So what is not to love about this dress? And the details on it, of course, is the dress does go from a size 00 all the way up to a size 30 within this dress. So this is a great size range for everybody. Now, cousins, I do want to say this. If you say, you know what, cousin, I'm really not the type to go in and wear, you know, short dresses, or you may not even want to be that fast, right? You can definitely go in and maybe try and rock this as a shirt, especially if you are taller than my height, which is 5'5". So you can definitely see if it will work for you as a shirt. Always, you can go in and pair tights with this if you may be even self-conscious in regards to your legs. But baby, honey, cousin is stepping, period. All the thighs out. All of the thighs out. It ain't no excuse. Ain't no excuse. All the thighs out. So say what you want to about me, okay? But I'm cute. You hear me? I am cute. In this dress, y'all. But this was actually one of my favorite looks that I actually picked up from this haul. So cousins, those are my items that I picked up from Target. I will tell y'all this, Target has been targeting lately, okay? Target has been coming through with the fashion. I actually have like other items in my cart, and I'm like, Target, y'all is not finna get out my money. Y'all is not finna get out my money, because they got some burgundy pieces on that site. I was like, and yes, y'all is fixing to get my coins for these pieces. And cousins, I also wanted to ask you all, because I see a lot of clothes and shoes and stuff like that all the time. Would you guys be interested in me doing a video just to maybe show you guys some of the different styles that I'm possibly looking at, or different styles that may have come out? Because a lot of times I'm not going in and purchasing everything right off. Sometimes I'll wait to see if there is a sale that's going on, and I know that a lot of you all may have different events or whatever that's coming up, and you may not necessarily want to go and actually search at that moment. And maybe that's something I can do on a weekly basis. I don't know, maybe I call it a little style rescue series, right? Where it's not actually me trying on the clothes or putting the clothes on, but just come and presenting you all just with some different options. So as you are shopping, as you are, or your events or anything like that is coming up, or you know that's up and coming, you can go ahead and go in and purchase your items. So y'all let me know in the comments if that's something that you all are interested in, and I can definitely put a video together just to kind of show you the different styles, and even showing you how to go in and style these particular looks, right? And so what I mean by that is just me going in and actually creating a style board to show you, hey cousin, you can go in, buy this dress, pair with these shoes, these boots, just to give you some inspiration as you're shopping. Like I said, y'all, I won't necessarily be putting on the clothes and trying them on, but this will maybe be some inspo for you to be able to go and pick up a couple of these items. Just my thoughts. Y'all let me know. I'm just saying, y'all let me know if that's something that y'all are interested in. Okay, cousins? So cousins, if you don't made it this far in the video, baby, go ahead and subscribe. Join the cousin crew. And while I'm at it, make sure you join the cousin crew down in the description box below, honey. That is the email and also text list, so that I can communicate with y'all outside of YouTube. Hello. Yes, cousins. Also, everything that I talked about in this video is going to be linked inside of my LTK store. So you can go in and scan the QR code here on the screen if you're watching like from a big screen or your TV, or I will have every single item linked down in the description box below for your easy access to be able to go and shop these looks. Because honey, listen, y'all know Thanksgiving is coming up, and these can definitely be some cute, casual Thanksgiving looks that y'all can chill in as you're just around with family and friends on that day. Okay, cousins? So make sure that y'all are following me on Instagram at Style with Shauna T. Make sure y'all follow me on TikTok at Style with Shauna T. And of course, follow me on my LTK storefront as well, because as I always tell y'all, a lot of the styles are already uploaded before the video even drop, and you can get a head start on your shopping. Okay, cousins? So cousins, as I tell you all in every video, baby, make sure that you walk in every room boldly and confidently, honey, and make sure that you own it. Okay, cousins? I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.